Thank you so much for requesting this video. Here it is, and I hope you enjoy. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to be learning how to make a Harry Potter acceptance letter. So first you're going to need is some pages of beige paper. You can use white paper and cover it with tea if you don't have beige, and print a template on it. And then you're going to need 2 sheets of the letter and the list. The link is in the description below of how to print these. Now first, you're going to set the other 2 papers aside, and you're going to focus on the envelope. So the link's in the description below, and you want to print this on your paper, and then you're going to have to cut all the way around it. Now you have a funny looking shape, it's the envelope, so you want to flip that over, and you want to crease along the lines 4 sides. So on the left, you want to crease just about here. And then same for the other side, along the bottom and the top. Once you crease the sides and fold it in like this, now it looks like a proper envelope. And you have a choice now if you want to make it look ancient by crumbling it. So if you already covered your paper with tea, it's going to look already creased and nice. But if you don't, you can just simply crumble it. So I've crumbled it like this, and it is very wrinkly and unnatural, so you can iron it to make it smoother if you want. So it should look something like this. Fold along the same edges like before, and then apply some glue. So the glue is right here. I'm using super glue. Just fold it right there and press down for 10 seconds. And it should look something like this. Next, put your 2 papers inside, fold them 4 times and put them inside. And then to seal it, you can put a wax seal that's actually made out of wax, or you can use a printable and print it out. So it looks something like this. And then you want to glue that on. And on the reverse side, you have the green writing of the address. Now you can put this to your designated person, just like this. And that is how you make a Harry Potter acceptance letter. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is another Harry Potter craft, so if you want to see more things on Harry Potter, comment down below what you want to see next. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.